Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Riffa. Today I am still in Pacific City, Oregon. I am going to hike that Cape Kiwanda, and this is the sand dunes, and that is the cape. I will try to do both. Hopefully I have enough energy for that. And this is the board sign entering Cape Kiwanda State Natural Area. Oh my god, the sun is shining, and look at that haystack rock, but the wind is so cold. It is can you see, it's like 19 degrees Celsius now. Let's keep going, guys. There are two ways or three ways to go up there. You can just go straight up to the dunes, or going in the midways and then going to the cape, and then later going to the dunes and sliding down. That sounds so cool, but we'll see. I don't know what to slide down with. Some people bring the cardboard. Oh my god, this is so much nicer day than yesterday. This is the tide pool that you can access when the tide is low. It's so full right now. I am going to the cape first anyway, and it's so hard with my shoes on. I think I got to take them off. Not much easier with the shoes off, but better. Oh my god. It's so slow. It is not that far, but going up is such an ordeal. Look how slow the progress I am making. Oh my god. I'll take this way, this path. No camping and no fire here. Oh. Yay! So here I am finally. Oh, that was a short hike, but not the easiest one, I may say. Oh, look at the ocean on this side, it's so pretty. Much easier with bare naked feet. high tide, the water can go up half of that dunes or rock over there. Wow, that's a lot of water. The hotel staff told me this morning to go when the water is low. Now I understand why. Otherwise I wouldn't see as much as rocks like this one, because there will be water, and I think that's also okay, but he thinks, and I agreed with him, that it is more beautiful when you can see like the rocks down there. This is magnificent. Okay, it's time to explore another side of these sand dunes or cape. So this is Cape Kiwanda. It was nice. Ah, look at that pine and pine nuts. It's so pretty, huh? Feels like Christmas here now in summer. And look at this berry. Just the leaves, no berries. Anyway, let's go. This is so hard walking on the sand with sneakers on, but whatever, show must go on. So many protection fences around here. Apparently many people died because they didn't listen to the warnings, they don't obey the warnings, and it ended up into accidents. So you better walk in the fences area, and look at that, they also close the area there. They put red nets. Wow, look at that rock. Pretty. Unfortunately, I can't see the rock. The arch more clear from here because do not enter. Such a bummer. So that's my journey, my hike to Cape Kiwanda today in Pacific City, Oregon. Hope you like the video. Do not forget to give me like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Bye bye.